All right, guys, camp for the night. So after we left Yuma, we went down to Tucson, which is about a 4-hour drive away. Hung out in Tucson for the night. Actually got an Airbnb. We are back on the dirt, doing a quick overnight trip. We are right in Wikieup, Arizona, and we found this awesome spot on this ridge right here. Perfect temperature. It's about 83 degrees, nice little breeze, and gorgeous out. So it shouldn't drop more than maybe to 60 degrees tonight, so it's going to be a great night. Should see a lot of stars because we're really not close to any towns. Dottie and Angela over there has met up with us. They're camping for the night as well, doing some tent camping, getting everything kind of situated in the back here. Something I've been trying to experiment with is having like a little paper towel holder. So all I got is a bungee here on the side, bungeeing up the paper towels, and they actually have been sitting there all weekend. I did upgrade the camping tote finally to something that we can sit and stand on, so I can actually use this to jump up into the truck and into the GFC. And then we use this tote over here to jump up from the bed of the truck into the rooftop tent whenever we're ready to go to bed. We got our comforter right here and some pillows. I actually got Rio a little tiny cot, and we also have our chair here as well. I've also been carrying around a little dust pan thing because I've been trying to, you know, sweep the dust off of at least the tailgate area. As you guys can see, this is getting pretty beat up, the mountain hatch that is, but I do love the flat tailgate here. We are going to be cooking on the Tembo Tusk tonight. We're going to be making some reindeer dogs with some caramelized onions. So this is Rio's little cot. It's actually a double cot. You could actually fit 2 dogs on it. But yep, HHO, yep ho, I guess. Some kind of Chinese brand. This was super cheap. I just needed to get Rio her own chair because she kept sitting in my chair. So I'll show you guys. Rio, come here. Come here. Place. Down. Okay, girl. She makes it look like only one dog can sleep on there, but she really just bundles up on one side usually. Oh, Rio. We picked up this juicy, hazy IPA. This is from Chandler, Arizona. So, let's see what this guy tastes like. This is for you. I'm drinking a Long Island iced tea to get the party going. 10%, but honestly, it's really not too bad. Not bad at all. Just got the tent all set up. I swear, unlatching these and just opening the tent up, I will never get tired of it. So easy. Damn it. It's like that could have been bad. There's like a little something right in there.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home.
You like different things on all the rest of it. You want like the back is so big. So we made stove. Yeah, I'm with you. I love it. So it's the hash brown cubes, and I'll go those and then We're it's the ethics policy. And the whole such pressure shit. For real. Oh no, no.
Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while.
Guys, our chair has died.
Wait, come on this side.
Time to get a new chair, guys. Comment down below what you would recommend.
What chair should we get next?
What is packable and comfortable is what I'm looking for. Comment down below. All right, so I got Carly's black light that she bought. She bought this specifically so that you can look for scorpions. On the camera, it looks like a white light, but in reality, it's very purple. Looks like a phone screen of some sort.
I don't know, there's something else small like this.
Your name is not Jack Brown. You're the
Rio, come here. Rio, come here.
Good morning, guys. RIP to our chair that broke last night. So we're in the market for a new chair. I'm looking for something that's comfortable and packable. So those are my two main criteria. It does not have to be a dual. I'm down with buying two separate chairs. So yeah, let me know.
night. Don't turn off the light, I'm coming home.